Okay. Good morning. Today we will have a pre-bid conference for 6 civil works projects. For the CID, so number 1 is CID number 24IO0152. This is flood mitigation structure protecting major or strategic public buildings, facilities, construction of flood control structure, Barangay 1, Poblacion, Taft, Eastern Samar. Approved budget for the contract of 98,999,803 pesos. Duration is 360 calendar days and implementing office construction division. CID number 24IO0153, Borongan Guiuan Road, kilometer 948 plus 030 to kilometer 950 plus 530. Approved budget for the contract is 48,249,098 pesos and 86 centavos. Duration of the project is 210 calendar days, implementing office construction division. Then CID number 24IO0154, network development, Wright, Borongan Road, kilometer 0866 plus 00 to kilometer 0868 plus 472. Eastern Samar. Approved budget for the contract is 48,249,533 pesos and 51 centavos. Duration of the project is 210 calendar days, implementing office construction division. Then CID number 24IO0155, SIPAG, access roads, construction of road phase 2, Barangay Polangi to Gayam, Taft, Eastern Samar, with approved budget for the contract of 98,499,278 pesos and 67 centavos. Duration of the project is 325 calendar days, implementing office construction division. The CID number 24IO0156 is the cluster 3. Network development of Off-Carriageway improvement of Ricardo Bilatan Road, kilometer 1101 plus 595 to kilometer 1101 plus 625. Then Ricardo Bilatan Road, kilometer 1101 plus 650, 1101 plus 675. Then Ricardo Bilatan, also 1101 plus 890 to 1101 plus 920. Then the same road, also 1101 plus 970 to 1101 plus 995. Then San Ricardo Bilatan, also 1101 plus 625 to 1105 plus 650. Then 1101 plus 675 to 1101 plus 700. Then 1101 plus 750 to 1101 plus 775, all in southern Leyte, with approved budget for the contract of 337,726,526 pesos and 81 centavos. Duration of the project is 240 calendar days. Implementing office construction division. CID number 24IO0157, SIPAG project, improvement of the Guiuan City bypass road phase 6, Guiuan City, with approved budget for the contract of 19,283,810 pesos and 78 centavos. Duration is 175 calendar days, implementing office construction division. Together with me is Engineer Alex de Valea, the provisional member, Attorney Shari Mauro, regular member, Engineer Angelina Gomez, and user. So we have a quorum. We are going to proceed for the pre-bid conference. For CID number 24IO. So there is no participating leaders present. online, and face-to-face. So we're going to proceed with the pre-bid conference. For CID number 24I0152, this is the construction of plant control structure, Seawall, Barangay 1, Poblacion, Taft, Samar. Contract duration is 300 calendar days with a contract of 98,999,850 pesos. The major category is flood control, construction, shore protection, seawall or breakwater. Dimension is 495 linear meter, 495 meters. Then plus on the screen are the similar major categories of works. Then the paid personnel. Major equipment to be used by the contract. The items of work. Then the financial requirements. Okay, so the procurement schedule is issuance of bidding documents March 20 to April 10, 2024. The deadline for submission of bids is April 10 at 10 a.m. Opening of bids is also on April 10, 2024 at 10 a.m. Cost of bidding documents is 50,000. Bids received in excess of the ABCs are automatically rejected and declared free. So bids must be duly received by the Bank Secretariat of the Bank Office for manual submission on or before April 10, 2024 at 10 a.m. It can also be submitted through electronic submission at electronic bids_ra.dpwh.gov.ph. So, any question or clarification after the pre-bid conference shall be put into writing and submitted to the bank within 10 days before the opening of bids. Next is 240153, Network Development Road Widening, Borongan Guiuan Road, kilometer 0948 plus 030 to kilometer 0950 plus 530 Eastern Samar. Contract duration of the project is 210 calendar days. Approved budget for the contract is 48,249,098 pesos and 86 centavos. Major category of work is RCP, Roads Rehabilitation or PCCP. Dimension is 5.006 lane kilometer. Flash on the screen are the similar major categories of work. Then the paid personnel required. The major equipment. And the items of work. Also the financial requirements. Okay, so procurement schedule, issuance of bidding documents, March 20, 2024 to April 10, 2024. Deadline for submission of bids is April 10, 2024 at 10 a.m. So opening of bids is on April 10, 2024 at 10 a.m. also. So cost of bidding documents is 50,000. Bids received in excess of the ABC shall be automatically rejected and declared free. Bids must be duly received by the Bank Secretariat of the Bank office for manual submission or at electronic speeds underscore R8 at DWH.gov.ph for electronic submission, and on or before April 10, 2024 at 10 a.m. So, any question, clarification, after this previous conference shall be put into writing and submitted to BAC within 10 calendar days before the opening of bids. Next is 24 IO 00154 Road Widening, Wright, Borongan Road, kilometer 0866 plus 00 to kilometer 0868 plus 472 Eastern Side. Contract duration of the project is 210 calendar days. Approved budget for the contract is 48,249,533 pesos and 51 centavos. The major category of work is RCP, Roads Rehabilitation, PCCP. Dimension is 5 lane kilometer. Flash on the screen is also the similar major categories of works. Then the K personnel required for the project. The major equipment requirements. Plus also the screen are the items of work. Financial requirement. And the procurement schedule is issuance of bidding documents March 20, 2024 to April 10, 2024. Deadline for submission of bids is April 10, 2024 at 10 a.m. Opening of bids is April 10, 2024 at 10 a.m. Cost of bidding documents is 50,000. Bids received in excess of the APC shall be automatically rejected and declared failed. Bids must be duly received by the back secretariat at the back office for manual submission or at electronic bids underscore R8 at dpwh.gov.ph for electronic submission on or before April 10, 2024 at 10 a.m. So any question, clarification after this previous conference, the writing and submitted to the back within 10 calendar days before the opening of bids. Next is contract ID number 24IO0155. This is SIPAG construction of road phase 2, Barangay Polangi, Gayam, Taft, Eastern Samar, with contract duration of 325 calendar days. Approved budget for the contract of 98,499,278 pesos and 67 centavos. The major category of work is RCP, Roads Rehabilitation, PCCP. Dimension is 1.372 lane kilometer. Flash on the screen are the similar major categories. The K personnel required. The major equipment to be used by the project. The items of work. The items of work. The financial requirements. And the schedule of procurement. So please note that issuance of bidding documents was on March 20, 2024 to April 10, 2024. Deadline for submission of bids is April 10, 2024 at 10 a.m. Opening of bids is on April 10, 2024 at 10 a.m. Cost of bidding documents is 50,000. Bids received in excess of the APC shall be automatically rejected and declared failed. Bids must be duly received by the back secretariat at the back office for manual submission or at electronic bids underscore R8 at dpwh.gov.ph for electronic submission on or before April 10, 2024 at 10 a.m. So any question, clarification after this video conference shall be put in writing and submitted to back office on or before 10 calendar days before the opening of use. Next is 24IO0156. This is a cluster project, network development of improvement, tertiary roads, San Ricardo, Bilatan Road, with the following station limits. 1101 plus 595 to 1101 plus 625. Kilometer 1101 plus 650 to kilometer 1101 plus 675. Kilometer 1101 plus 890 to kilometer 1101 plus 920. Kilometer 1101 plus 970 to kilometer 1101 plus 995. Kilometer 1101 plus 625 to kilometer 1101 plus 650. Kilometer 1101 plus 675 to 1101 plus 700. 1101 plus 750 to 1101 plus 775. All in southern Leyte. Contract duration is 240 calendar days. The approved budget for the contract is 337,726,526 pesos and 81 centavos. Major category of work is RCSPS, roads construction, slope protection using structural measures, and RCP, major roads construction, PCCP, cost estimate 325 million, 11,028 pesos and 30 centavos. Dimension is 11,176.25 square meters. And the second category is have a dimension of 277.50 square meters. Plus on the screen is the several major categories of works. Then the Cape personnel required. The major equipment. And the items of work. Those are the items of work per project, per station limit. Okay, plus also the screen is a financial requirement. And the procurement schedule, which is the issuance of bidding documents, March 20, 2024 to April 10, 2024. Deadline for submission of bids is April 10, 2024 at 10 a.m. Opening of bids is on April 10, 2024 at 10 a.m. also. Cost of bidding documents is 50,000. Bids received in excess of the back shall be automatically rejected and rejected. Bids must be duly received by the back secretariat at the back office for manual submission or at electronic bids_r8 at DWH.gov.ph for electronic submission on or before April 10, 2024 at 10 a.m. So any questions, clarification after this previous shall be put into writing and submitted to back office within 10 calendar days before the opening of bids. Next is 24IO0157. SIPAG is an access road, improvement of Tacloban City Bypass Road, Phase 6, Tacloban City, Leyte. Contract duration is 175 calendar days. Approved budget for the contract is 19,283,810 pesos and 78 centavos. Major category of work is RCSPS, that is the construction of slow production using structural measures. Dimension is 725 square meters. Flash on the screen are the similar major categories of work. The gate personnel, the major equipment to be used by the project, the items of work, the financial requirements, and the procurement schedule. So procurement schedule, issuance of bidding documents, March 20, 2024 to April 10, 2024. Deadline for submission of bids, April 10, 2024 at 10 a.m. Opening of bids, April 10, 2024 at 10 a.m. Cost of bidding documents, 25,000. Bids received in excess of the ABC shall be automatically rejected and declared. Bids must be duly received by the back secretariat at the back office for manual submission or at electronic bids_ra.dwh.gov.ph for electronic submission on or before April 10, 2024 at 10 a.m. So any question, clarification after this pre-bid conference shall be put in the writing subject and submitted to back office within 10 calendar days before the opening of bids. Okay, so any question from the back? From the viewers, there's 80. If none, so the pre-bid conference for the civil works is adjourned. Thank you. May special. Today we will have a pre-bid conference for goods and services. Two goods and services. It is the PR number 24. Walang G. Diba, this is GIO. 24 GIO017. This is the purchase, delivery of land-based equipment consisting of one unit tractor head and one unit street sweeper for construction, improvement, rehabilitation, and maintenance of roads, bridges, other infrastructure, and for use in waste management and environmental sanitation within Region 8. So, approved budget for the contract is 32 million. Implementing office is Equipment Management Division. The duration is 210 calendar days. And number 2 is PR number 24 GIO 23. Purchase delivery of materials, bar supplies for road traffic information application for use at the district engineering offices, planning and design sections, DWH Regional Office 8, Paras, Leyte, with approved budget for the contract of 2,189,990 pesos and 40 centavos. Implementing offices is planning and design division, duration is 90 calendar days. With me is Attorney Shari Mauro, regular member, Engineer Alex Gacalea, provisional member, Mr. Ronald Lago as the end user. So we are in quorum, we are going to proceed the pre-bid conference for the goods and services. For 24 GIO017, this is the purchase delivery of land-based equipment consisting of one unit tractor head and one unit street sweeper for construction, improvement, rehabilitation, and maintenance of roads, bridges, other infra, and for use in waste management, environmental sanitation in the Region 8, with approved budget for the contract of 32 million. And the duration is 210 calendar days to be implemented by the Equipment Management Division. Please flash on the screen the conditions, special conditions of the contract. Okay, so bidder owner shall agree to the following conditions. Yeah. Special conditions of the contract are bidder or owner shall agree to the following conditions. Number 1, the supplier must present a manufacturer's certification as authorized distributor in the Philippines. Number 2, the supplier must have its own service center, preferably in Region 8, to serve and cater the after-sales needs of DPWH Regional Office. Number 3, 2 years warranty certificate for parts from 50 to 500 hours. Warranty for smart maintenance, inclusive of lubricants, oils, filters, labor, and service support charges during the duration of warranty shall be guaranteed. Provide formal training and actual demonstration of unit for 25 operators, technicians, and engineers on the proper operation and maintenance of the equipment for 3 days. Provide operation and maintenance manual, parts, services, manual and presets personal protective equipment, and shall be in conformity with international safety standards. One set PPE consists of hard hat, raincoat, anti-skid safety shoes, hand gloves, reflectorized vest, and working jacket. Number 6, provide tools for equipment, one set combination range. Size is 8 to 36 mm. One set open wrench, size 24 to 50 mm. One piece each. Filter and filter range, flower adjustable pliers, adjustable range, grease, guns, screwdriver, Philip and flat, trouble light, 12 volts and 220 volts, hydraulic floor chuck, 20 tons, tie range, fire extinguisher, 5 pounds minimum content capacity. Equipment to be delivered but must be brand new. Number 8, delivery point for land-based equipment at the Equipment Management Division, DWH compound, Leyte. No. Prospective bidders may request for clarification on and or interpretation of any part of the bidding documents. Such request must be writing and received by the procuring entity either at its given address or through electronic mail indicated in the item. At least 10 calendar days before deadline set for the submission of receipt or fees. So, procurement activities. So, submission and receipt of bids is on or before April 10, 2024 at PM at the bidding room, procurement office in DPWH Regional Office 8, Leyte. Opening of bids is on April 10, 2024 at 10 a.m. at the bidding room, procurement office, DPWH Regional Office 8, Leyte. So any question or clarification from the prospective bidders? Do you have any questions, sir? So none. So any question or clarification after this pre-bid conference shall be put into writing and be submitted to the back office within 10 calendar days before the opening of bids. Number 2 is 24 GIO 023. Purchase, delivery of materials, supplies for road traffic information application for use at district engineering offices, planning and design sections, DPWH Regional Office 8, Leyte. With approved budget for the contract of 2,189,990 pesos and 40 centavos. Duration of the project is 90 calendar days. Implementing office planning and design division. So attached on this screen are the special conditions of contract. Number 1, bidder owner shall agree to the following conditions. The supplier must have at least 3 years experience in the supply, delivery, and selling various RTIA traffic and equipment in the region. Suppliers must have completed a similar contract costing at least 25% of the APC within the last 2 years. All items should be branded with the price schedule except for locally made. Number 4, bill of quantity should not exceed the APC. Number 5, delivery point Planning and Design Division, DWH, Regional Office 8, Barangay, Leyte. Number 6, delivery period should be within 90 calendar days upon receipt of approved notice to proceed. So, the procurement schedule, submission, and receipt of bids is on or before 11/2024 until 10 a.m. and the bidding pool procurement office, DWH Regional Office 8, Barangay, Leyte. Opening of bids is on April 10, 2024 at 10 a.m. also at the bidding group procurement office, DWH Regional Office 8, Barangay, Leyte. Cost of bidding. Cost of bidding documents is 5,000. So, prospective bidders may request for clarification and or interpretation of any part of the bidding documents. Such request must be in writing and received by the procuring entity, either at its given address or through electronic mail indicated in the ID, at least 10 calendar days before the deadline set for the submission and receipt of bids. So, any question? May na pagka online? Okay. So, any question, clarification from the back?
No question.
If none, the opening of the pre-bid conference for goods and services is adjourned.
Okay.
Okay.
What about visibility?
Okay. Good morning.
Morning.
Today we will have an opening of bids for civil works. For civil works project. Number 1 is CID number 24I00142. Construction of flood control structure along Borongan River, Barangay, Kalingatnan, Sitsu, Minaidi, Borongan City, Eastern Samar. With approved budget for the contract of 192,999,976 pesos and 61 centavos. Implementing Office Construction Division, duration of the project is 300 calendar days. Participating bidders are the St. Gerard Construction General Contractor Development Corporation, HGG Builders and Supply, joint venture with Isang Construction and General Trading Incorporated, St. Timothy Construction Corporation. Number 2 is CID number 24IO0144, Network Development, Road Widening, secondary roads, Guiuan, Sulangan, Peninsula Road. Kilometer 1060 plus 170 to kilometer 1062 plus 670. Mr. Samar, with approved budget for the contract of 48,249,370 pesos and 72 centavos. Implementing Office Construction Division, duration is 205 calendar days. Participating bidders, only one, the 5 Jewels Construction and Supply Corporation. Number 3 is the ID number 24IO0146, Asset Preservation, Rehabilitation, Reconstruction, Upgrading of damaged main roads, primary roads, the Maharlika, kilometer 0814,500 to kilometer 0815 plus 00, kilometer 0829 plus 648 to kilometer 0831 plus 00, kilometer 0837 plus 600 to kilometer 0837 plus 800, up to 800 plus 800 dito, diretso kayo. Kilometer 0839 plus 817 to kilometer A0840 plus 00, kilometer 0840 plus 300 to kilometer 0840 plus 850, kilometer 0841 plus 400 to kilometer 0841 plus 713, kilometer 0841 plus 900 to kilometer 0852 plus 00 to kilometer 0853 plus 00, Samar 2nd EEO, with approved budget for the contract 146,679,987 pesos and 39 centavos. Implementing Office sa Construction Division, duration of the project is 310 calendar days. Participating bidders are the Essential Builders Incorporated and the Eaton Construction. Number 4 is CID number 24IO0147, Sustainable Infrastructure Projects, alleviating gaps or SIPAG, access roads and or bridges from the national roads leading to major strategic public buildings or facilities, construction of RCBG reinforced concrete girder bridge from Barangay Mahagna to Barangay Alangihan of Leyte. With approved budget for the contract 144,749,377 pesos and 97 centavos. Implementing Office Construction Division, duration of the project is 360 calendar days. Participating bidders are the St. Timothy Construction Corporation, St. Gerard Construction General Contractor and Development Corporation, Essential Builders Incorporated, and Media Construction Incorporated. So with me is Attorney Shari Moro, regular member, Engineer Alex De Valera, provisional member, and Engineer Adelina Gomez, the end user, the president. So we are in quorum. We will proceed to the opening of bids for these 4 civil works projects. The Secretariat may we request your assistance for the opening of the technical documents of these 4 civil works project with the docs of the participating bidders. And to know what you now know. Very participating bidders.
Masuk dulu, wala, siya. 9 only. Yes. 4 plus 4, 6 plus 3.
3 plus 24 plus 6. Depende.
Ayun. Ako sa'yo. Yes.
Okay, sige. So, we will open simultaneously the technical documents of the 4 civil works projects.
Okay.
Okay. For CID number 24-IO-0142 and 24-IO-0144, all participating bidders are complying and eligible to bid the project. Please, Back Secretariat, please assist us in opening the financial proposal of these participating bidders for CID 24-142 and 24-IO-144.
Okay.
Thank you. eligibility result of CID number 24IO0147. All participating bidders are eligible and complying to bid the project. So, Secretariat, please assist us in opening the financial proposal of these participating bidders. Thank you. Okay, for CID number 24IO 0144, the bid of
144.
144.
144. Yeah.
Okay. The bid of Five Jables Construction and Supply Corporation is 48,199,370 pesos and 72 centavos. So 48,199,370 pesos and 72 centavos. So single bid as read, subject for cost qualification of the technical working group. Hindi tapos.
Yeah.
And 146. Ang eligibility goes sa 147. 147. Okay. For 24IO0147, the bid of Leda Construction Corporation is 43,383,995 pesos and 3 centavos. 43,383,995 pesos and 3 centavos. For Vicencio, construction is 144,649,371 pesos and 77 centavos. 144,649,371 pesos and 77 centavos. Then the bid of St. Timothy Construction is 144,699,366 pesos and 41 centavos. Okay? 144,699,366.41. Okay? So the bid of St. Gerard Construction General Contractor and Development Corporation is 144,699,941 pesos and 15 centavos. 144,699,941 pesos and 15 centavos. So
Lowest.
the lowest bid as said is the bid of Leda Construction Incorporated, subject to bid evaluation and cost qualification of the technical working. So the last for 24IO146, all participating bidders are complying and eligible to bid the project. Secretariat, please assist us in opening the financial proposals of these participating bidders. Sige. For 24I00146, the bid Essential Builders Incorporated is 146,629,966 pesos and 87 centavos. 146,629,966.87. And the bid of Itan Construction is 146,554,987 pesos and 29 centavos.
Okay.
So 146,554,987 pesos and 29 centavos. So the bid of Itan Construction is the lowest bid as said, subject to bid evaluation and cost modification of the technical working.
Yes.
So, or clarification from the viewers and the bank members?
No question.
If none, the opening of bids for civil works is adjourned. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you. Have a blessed and see you
Thank
happy Easter. Happy
Okay.
Easter to all.
Okay.
Siya is